My name is Ruth Mayer. I'm a retired high school teacher, and now in retirement, I'm a master gardener with Cooperative Extension at the University of Delaware and a board member of the Food Bank of Delaware. That's where we are today, on the grounds of the farm. Today we're making a container garden. You do not have to go out and buy expensive items to make a container garden. The only thing you have to do is to enjoy watching things grow. You can use various things: basket, terracotta pot, and today we're going to use this big old container made out of terracotta. You don't want to have your plants get waterlogged. So, have a hole in the bottom, have it be able to have the water go through, and if you don't have anything else, you can use old coffee filters or even a newspaper. Take the paper, put it into the bottom of the container. If you want to save some on the soil you use, you can recycle old plastic bottles. Now comes the soil. Do not say dirt if you want to be called a gardener. And most gardeners are supposed to use gloves. I don't. We're going to now fill the container with soil. You should have soil that has perlite, vermiculite, and other things that let the soil breathe in there. If you just use the soil in your backyard, it will get too hard too fast. So this is a nice mixture that we use here on the farm. Now, what are we going to plant? Most people think of container gardens as places to just plunk down some flowers and then leave them alone. My joy in gardening comes from being able to walk outside and see what's changed in any of my gardens, even container gardens. And I've also found that you can easily combine vegetables and flowers and be able to benefit from both in your garden. Well, we've got a tomato here. How about if we put in some herbs? Basil. That always goes well with, if you want to make caprese in the summer, or if you want to make Italian sauce. You've got the spiller in oregano. We can use this as our spiller. Has a nice pink color to it. So there you have it, your basic container garden. Now all you have to do is keep it watered, and you want to make sure that it's not soaking itself. So you put your finger in down to an inch. If it's dry that far down, then you need to water. The worst thing you can do is overwater your plants. Come out every day and see what's changed. If something needs to be snipped off, don't be afraid to. Snip it off, it'll grow back fuller. Same thing with herbs. This, as it gets larger, you might have to put a stake in it, but you've got something that you can enjoy every day and take care of and love and eventually eat.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.